Assalamu alaikum friends, and welcome to my channel Technical DHSN. Friends, in this video you will learn how to use split screen of your mobiles. I means how you can use at a time two applications. As you can see, I have already opened and I can work in these both applications. First is Play Store and the second one is YouTube. So you can do like this also. Okay, in my case I am using Samsung mobile. In your In your case, you can try it on your own mobiles. So let's start the process. Let me remove it from background first. Okay, now first of all, open setting and scroll down a little bit. Find this feature which is called advanced feature. Now from here tap on labs and this button will be off. You have to turn it on. Now remove it from background and open your first application. In my case, I want to open first Play Store, and now from here tap on background button, and now from here tap on this button, and from here now tap on open in split screen view. Okay, the first application has been opened, and now if you want to open any of your desired application, so you can scroll down here in your second window and you can open it. In my case, I want to open, just for example, YouTube. The YouTube has been opened. As you can see, I can use both of these applications at a time. So you can also try it on your mobiles and you can use this application like this. This was a video of split screen. For more informative and interesting videos, you can subscribe my channel and